Hello. In this video, we're providing you with English reading, improvement, listening, and repetition practice. I'm Alexander, your English teacher, and in this video, I'll be sharing my daily routine with you. This video will help you practice English amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Let's dive into my daily routine now. My name is Alexander, and I'm an English teacher. I wake up at 5 o'clock, but get up at 5:30. I do 50 push-ups before taking a cold shower. I usually brush my teeth in the bathroom right before bathing. After that, I take the time to do my hair. Then, I iron my clothes while heating water to make tea. I like having a hot drink early in the morning. Most of the time, I wear a jacket with a pair of jeans or trousers, a long-sleeve shirt with a pair of trousers, a t-shirt with a pair of jeans, or a suit. Next, I put on my coat and prepare my bag with all the things I'll need at work, while sipping on my hot tea mixed with honey. I make a quick breakfast, usually an omelette, and eat it with toasted bread. Sometimes, I prepare oatmeal. After breakfast, I rinse my mouth with mouthwash to keep my breath fresh. I'm now ready to leave for work at around 7 o'clock. I drive most of the time, but I also take the bus when I feel lazy about driving. I prefer taking the bus when I want to chat or make new friends. I usually reach my workplace between 7:30 and 7:45. I sign in and get ready for classes. Classes start at 8:15 and end at 11:15 in the morning. During the lunch break, I go to the teacher's office to rest. I don't eat much at lunchtime. Sometimes, I don't eat at all. Some of my colleagues complain about it, saying, "You must eat well to keep your body energized." When I do eat, I go for pasta, salad, and some fruits. In the afternoon, classes start at 1 p.m. and end at 3 p.m. After school, I either drive back home or take the bus. Then, I relax for an hour before preparing dinner for the evening. I sometimes eat out when my schedule is tight, but I always prefer home-cooked food. In the evening, I chill out on the sofa, watch television, and have dinner. I usually watch the news on TV while watching television. I can also chat with some friends and family members on social media. Afterward, I take out the trash and wash the dishes. Later on, I spend an hour or so preparing classes for the next day. The last thing I do is take a shower, brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, and go to bed at around 10 p.m. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that this video, describing our daily routine, will assist you in your journey to learn English. To stay updated on more educational content and to support us, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share your thoughts in the comments. Have a great day and keep learning English.